All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So went ahead and jumped in at the beginning of the day, strapping the MC that was hanging down yesterday. There was tons of it hanging down. So I went ahead and zip tied it to the rafters right here, and then used MC straps and screws to go across the ceiling. It's pretty much that dark line next to that sprinkler looking pipe up there, which goes around the light right there. So I had to go around that light box a little bit. And then looking from the other side, the light box again right there, nice and straight MC, and then zip tied down the iron beam again on the ceiling, and then zip tied over, hitting all the straight irons, and then going into this box right there to terminate, and then from there pulled wire from that pipe over down to these sign boxes on the wall, one on the left side and the other one here on the right side. So these are for the outside signs of the building, and then went ahead and terminated that in the main junction box where the MC was going into. So that took up most of the day, and then from there went ahead and terminated it in the panel. So that was interesting, or not really, but went ahead and took the cover off, took the dead front off, landed the wires, put everything back together, turned it on, and got that working. We'll check it in the morning to see how it looks, because it's way too bright out to see it right now, see the sign lit up. And then for the rest of the day, pretty much just parked the lift back in the building, and then worked on making up these two quadplexes, which I will be working on tomorrow. So there is a pipe in the ceiling, which you will see right now. There's this pipe on this another iron beam over here in the back east side. So I have to finish that pipe going down the wall. It's pretty much right in between those two giant pipes right there, sprinkler pipes, I believe. So there is a pipe that needs to get ran down the wall with a 90, and then mount a few pieces of strut in the insulation, cut some holes in the insulation, and then roto hammer the strut to the wall, mount the pipe and all that stuff, and then connect the pipe to that box, and then put the plugs in, pull the wire. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. That is the end of the video. If you did enjoy, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. I would appreciate it. Love to see you guys back in the next video, and it would help the channel grow. Check the description down below for anything else, and I appreciate all you hanging out on the live streams the last couple nights. So thank you for that. That's been fun. Like I said, check the description down below for anything else, like social media, my second YouTube channel, which I'm going to be probably uploading some more extra electrical videos on there soon. Right now it's just gaming stuff, and then down below also is video playlist and some gaming stuff if you want to play games with me, and then hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams, or okay, that's it. See ya. Have a nice day. It's been a long one. All right, God bless, guys. Peace out.